Welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering one of the most requested topics. I get how to buy your first luxury watch without making expensive mistakes. Whether you've got $300 or $10,000 to spend, the principles are the same. Buy quality, overhype, understand what you're paying for, and choose a watch you'll still love in 10 years. I've put together 10 of the best first luxury watches you can buy in 2026, ranging from incredible value Japanese manufacturers all the way up to Swiss icons, worth every penny of their premium price tags. Let's count down from 10 to 1. Number 10. Rolex Oyster Perpetual is where the legend begins, and for good reason. This is the purest expression of what Rolex stands for. Timeless design, bulletproof engineering, and enduring prestige. Available in 36mm and 41mm, it suits both smaller and larger wrists without compromise. Powered by Rolex's in-house Calibre 3230 movement, it delivers a 70-hour power reserve and a precision rate of 2.2 seconds per day, elite performance by any standard. The Oyster case is waterproof to 100 meters and virtually indestructible in daily wear. Its dial comes in a range of stunning lacquered colors: coral red, yellow, turquoise, and classic silver, offering personality without shouting. There are no date complications, no chronograph, no gimmicks, just pure, honest watchmaking at its finest. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, there's often a wait list. But the Oyster Perpetual holds its value exceptionally well, making it a genuine long-term investment. If you can only ever buy one luxury watch in your lifetime, this is the one. It belongs on every wrist, in every room, at every occasion. Iconic. Understated. Forever. Number 9. Omega Speedmaster Professional. The watch that went to the moon. NASA flight qualified it in 1965, and astronauts wore it on every manned lunar mission, including Apollo 11. That alone gives it an immortal place in horological history. But beyond the legend, this is a genuinely outstanding timepiece. The 42mm stainless steel case houses the hand-wound Calibre 1861 movement, a design closely related to the movement that survived the vacuum of space. The black tachymeter bezel, black subdials, and steel bracelet create a look that is unmistakably masculine and purposeful. There is nothing accidental about its design. Every detail has a reason. Importantly, the Speedmaster Professional is still available at retail without significant waitlists, making it accessible compared to many Rolex models. It pairs beautifully with both casual outfits and formal suits. Collectors worldwide cherish it, and its value has appreciated steadily over decades. You're not just buying a watch. You're buying a piece of space exploration history. For first-time luxury buyers who want substance, story, and style in one package, the Moonwatch is close to perfect. Number 8. Omega Seamaster Diver 300 EM is one of the most recognizable and beloved sports watches in the world, and it has held that status since 1993, when it became James Bond's timepiece of choice. But this isn't a watch that relies on celebrity endorsement alone. The Seamaster 300M is a serious, highly capable diving watch with a 300-meter water resistance rating, a helium escape valve for saturation diving, and a robust unidirectional rotating bezel for timing dives accurately and safely. The 42mm case is crafted in polished and brushed steel, offering a premium two-tone finish that catches the light beautifully. The wave pattern dial is an iconic design signature, elegant yet sporty, instantly distinguishable from across the room. Inside beats the coaxial master chronometer Calibre 8800, certified to the highest magnetic resistance standards by Metas, essentially immune to the magnetic fields generated by everyday electronics. The bracelet integrates perfectly with the case and features a diver's extension for use over a wetsuit. It's versatile enough for the office, polished enough for dinner, and tough enough for the ocean. If you love the sea, action, and timeless style in equal measure, the Seamaster 300M belongs on your shortlist. Number 7. Tudor Black Bay 58. Black Bay 54. Tudor is Rolex's sister brand, and the Black Bay line is its crown jewel. The Black Bay 58 and its newer sibling, the Black Bay 54, represent an extraordinary value proposition in the luxury dive watch segment. The BB58, named for its 1958 heritage, measures 39 meters, making it one of the few modern dive watches that wears comfortably on smaller wrists without looking like a toy. The BB54 is even more compact at 30 cm, drawing on Tudor's 1954 design archives. Both feature vintage-inspired aesthetics with snowflake hands, a gilt-edged dial, and a beautifully crafted fabric or steel bracelet. Under the hood, Tudor's in-house Calibre MT5402 delivers a 70-hour power reserve and COS-certified chronometric precision. Tudor no longer relies on external movements. Everything is developed and produced in-house, reflecting genuine investment in quality. What makes these watches particularly compelling is their price point. Significantly less than an equivalent Rolex, yet built to the same exacting standards and covered by a 5-year warranty. They hold their value well and are widely available without the frustrating waitlist of their Swiss counterpart. For buyers who want the Rolex DNA without the Rolex premium, the Black Bay series is the smartest choice you can make. Number 6. Oris Aquis Date with the in-house Calibre. 400 movement represents a landmark achievement in independent Swiss watchmaking, and it punches far above its price category. Oris is one of the last truly independent Swiss watch manufacturers, answering to no luxury conglomerate, and that independence gives them the freedom to innovate without compromise. The Aquis Date is a premium sport watch rated to 300 meters water resistance, built around a 41.5mm stainless steel case with a ceramic insert bezel that resists scratching and fading far better than aluminum alternatives. But the real story is the movement. The Calibre 400 is entirely designed and produced by Oris, delivering a class-leading 5-day power reserve, a 10-year service interval, and anti-magnetic properties exceeding 2,000 Gauss. These specifications embarrass movements from brands charging 3 times the price. The integrated bracelet design gives the watch a premium, cohesive appearance that competitors often reserve for their flagship models. Dial options range from deep ocean blue to striking green, all with excellent lume for low-light legibility. Backed by a 10-year warranty and lifetime movement guarantee, Oris demonstrates unmatched confidence in their engineering. If you want technical excellence, genuine independence, and bold design without paying conglomerate premiums, the Aquis Calibre 400 is the smartest tool watch available today. Number 5. Longines Spirit 37 meters Morse, 40 meters. Longines occupies a fascinating position in Swiss watchmaking, a brand with a heritage stretching back to 1832, producing watches of exceptional refinement at prices that feel almost too reasonable for the quality on offer. The Longines Spirit captures the brand's aviation DNA in a clean, versatile package that works equally well dressed up or down. Available in 30 semi and 40, it suits a range of wrist sizes without any compromise in proportion or elegance. The dial design draws from historical pilot watches, bold Arabic numerals, luminous hands, and a clean hierarchy that makes reading time effortless at a glance. A fluted bezel adds a subtle, sporty character that distinguishes it from purely dress watches. Inside runs the COSC-certified L888 caliber, delivering a remarkable 72-hour power reserve and silicone hairspring for outstanding anti-magnetic performance. Silicone components also eliminate the need for oiling, which means longer service intervals and improved long-term reliability. At this price point, QS certification is almost unheard of among competitors. The Spirit is available in stainless steel with a leather strap or metal bracelet, and the build quality is genuinely impressive. Thick sapphire crystal, polished and brushed case finishing, and a screw-down crown for water resistance. Longines gives you more watch per dollar than nearly anyone in Switzerland. Number 4. Seiko Presage Sharp Edged series is a masterclass in Japanese design philosophy. Refined, disciplined, and deeply rooted in traditional craftsmanship. Where Swiss watches tend toward roundness and softness, the sharp-edged collection embraces geometric precision, with angular case lines and dial surfaces that appear to have been cut with surgical accuracy. The inspiration comes from traditional Japanese kiriko glass cutting, a centuries-old craft requiring extraordinary skill and patience. The dials capture this aesthetic with faceted, multi-layered textures that shift appearance dramatically as light moves across them, revealing different depths and patterns throughout the day. No two lighting conditions produce the same result. The 40.2mm case is finished with alternating polished and brushed surfaces, creating a premium visual complexity usually reserved for watches at multiples of this price. Inside beats Seiko's in-house 6R35 automatic movement, offering a 70-hour power reserve, 24-jewel construction, and excellent reliability developed over decades of manufacture. This is a genuine in-house caliber, not a purchased movement, which speaks to Seiko's manufacturing depth. The Presage sharp-edged stands out at any price level as a piece of wearable art. It communicates sophistication, cultural depth, and a rejection of the ordinary. For the buyer who wants something beautiful and unique rather than a status symbol, this is your watch. Number 3. Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is a watch with genuine soul, born from American military heritage and shaped by decades of service in demanding environments. Hamilton supplied field watches to the U.S. Army during World War II, and that functional, no-nonsense DNA runs through every khaki field watch produced today. The design is beautifully honest. Bold Arabic numerals, a clean matte dial, sword-shaped luminous hands, and a robust stainless steel case that communicates purpose over pretension. The 38mm or 42mm sizing options cover most wrist preferences, and both wear with an effortless confidence that more expensive watches often fail to achieve. Inside beats the ETA 28042 movement, a proven, well-regarded Swiss automatic with a 80-hour power reserve, exceeding many competitors who charge far more. Hamilton is owned by the Swatch Group, giving it access to top-tier Swiss movement technology at accessible prices. The canvas and leather strap options add authenticity to the military aesthetic, while a steel bracelet version is available for those preferring a more modern look. Sapphire crystal, screw-down caseback, and 100-meter water resistance complete a feature set that should cost significantly more. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is one of the most complete watches under $1,000. It wears unpretentiously, tells time perfectly, and gets better with age. That's everything a watch needs to be. Number 2, Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 is arguably the greatest value proposition in Swiss watchmaking today. A bold statement that holds up under scrutiny. Tissot, a Swatch Group brand with roots going back to 1853, has created a watch that genuinely competes with models costing 3 to 5 times its price in terms of design, quality, and movement performance. The PRX, precise and robust with extra thin, was originally launched in 1978, and its reissue has captured enormous attention from watch enthusiasts worldwide. The integrated bracelet design, where the case and bracelet flow together as one seamless unit, is a premium feature closely associated with luxury icons like the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak and Patek Philippe Nautilus. On the PRX, it's executed with remarkable precision for the price. The 40mm case is slim and elegant, making it equally at home with a casual shirt or a business suit. But the headline feature is the movement. The Powermatic 80, a silicone hairspring automatic caliber with an 80-hour power reserve, a number that beats many Swiss competitors at 3 times the cost. The silicone hairspring is anti-magnetic and requires no lubrication, meaning longer service intervals and consistent accuracy. Available in steel, gold PVD, and two-tone finishes across multiple dial colors, the PRX offers genuine personal expression. For first-time buyers seeking maximum impact per dollar, this watch is nearly impossible to beat. Number 1. Seiko Prospex Speedtimer SSC813, a watch that redefines what's possible under $1,000 and serves as proof that value and excellence are not mutually exclusive. This is a solar-powered chronograph that operates at a level of technical sophistication most buyers associate with prices many multiples higher. Seiko's V192 solar movement converts any light source into energy, eliminating battery replacements entirely and maintaining a charge for up to 6 months in complete darkness. Never worry about your watch dying. It powers itself. The 42.5mm stainless steel case carries genuine sports watch presence with a tachymeter bezel for calculating speed, 3 functional sub-dials for elapsed time measurement, and a dial design drawing from Seiko's legendary motorsport chronograph heritage. The build quality is exceptional. Sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, and 200-meter water resistance make this a true tool. Watch built for real-world demands. The cushion case shape, inspired by vintage Seiko racing chronographs from the 1960s and 70s, gives it a bold retro character that stands apart from generic Swiss sports watches. Its bracelet finishes are precise, the clasp is secure, and daily wear reveals a quality of manufacture that surprises everyone who handles it for the first time. The SSC813 offers technology, history, durability, and distinctive style in one package. It's not a compromise, it's a triumph. Start here, wear it everywhere, and never apologize for your choice.